That's a fascinating and important question that scientists and engineers have explored for decades. The short, direct answer is no. With our current technology, we cannot stop, destroy, or steer a hurricane. The fundamental reason comes down to one thing: a staggering, almost incomprehensible mismatch of scale. Humans are simply not capable of producing or redirecting the amount of energy required to influence a weather system that can be the size of a large country. Let's break down the sheer power we're up against. Think of a hurricane not as a storm, but as a colossal heat engine. It's a living, breathing system powered by warm, moist ocean water. The energy it releases is immense. A mature hurricane can release heat energy equivalent to a 10-megaton nuclear bomb exploding every 20 minutes. The kinetic energy of its wind is about half that of the global electricity generating capacity. To stop it, you would need to disrupt this engine with an even greater amount of focused energy. Scientists at institutions like the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration have reviewed numerous proposals over the years. The most frequently suggested solution is using nuclear weapons, perhaps by detonating a bomb in the eye of the storm. However, this fails because a hurricane has no single center to attack. A bomb's shockwave would be insignificant compared to the storm's overall energy. The most dangerous outcome would be the radioactive fallout being spread over thousands of kilometers by the hurricane's own winds, creating a devastating environmental and humanitarian disaster. Another idea was put to the test during Project Storm Fury, which ran from the 1960s to the 1980s. This was a real-world attempt to weaken hurricanes by seeding clouds outside the eye wall with silver iodide. The theory was that this would disrupt the storm's structure and reduce peak wind speeds. The project was ultimately abandoned because its central premise was flawed. Further research showed that hurricanes contain